grade Shurley method, page 14, part 2, and we're going to do exercise 7 and 8 today. For each sentence below, write SN or SP about a simple subject and V and HV, so V is for verb, right? HV is for helping verb, about the simple predicate. Then read and follow each set of directions carefully. Draw a line under the nouns in each sentence. This row of seats is reserved for the evening show. So who is it, or what is reserved for the evening show? It's actually the row, right? Okay, the whole row of them. So row is our subject noun, okay? And then guys, if we would classify it, seats would have been the object of a preposition, right? Okay, that's why it's not the subject noun. Okay, so rows or row, and then what is being said about the row? Reserved. Is reserved. Okay, is the helping verb. Reserved is the verb. Okay, and then they want us to underline the nouns in each sentence, so we know row is one, and what else? We know seats. I just told you guys that, right? Because an object of the preposition is one, and what else? The show. This is actually a what? An adverb, right? Okay. The stone skipped across the lake into the trees. What skipped across the lake into the trees? Stone. Subject noun. What is being said about the stone? Skipped. Verb. Okay. What's our nouns? Stone. What else? Lake and trees. So there's 3 of them, right? Okay. You guys are going to use 24 and 25 for homework. And there are 3 things that need to be underlined in this one, and 1 thing that need to be underlined in 25. Okay. All right. Draw a line under the pronouns in each sentence. So we still need to do our classification, but then we need to underline the pronoun instead. She is making a batch of her tasty cookies. Who is making a batch of her tasty cookies? She. So subject pronoun. What is being said about she? Is making. Is the helping verb. Making is the verb. Okay, and they only want pronouns this time. So what's our pronoun? She and her. They came over to my house last week. Who came over to my house last week? They. So that's a subject pronoun. What is being said about they? Just came. Okay. So what is our pronoun? They and my. Okay. You guys are going to do 28 and 29 for homework. And on 28, you're going to underline 2 things. And on 29, you're going to underline 2 things. Okay. And then don't forget to classify as well. All right. Okay. For vocabulary A and B, write the letter of the correct definition, synonym, and antonym in the boxes. So, shrewdly. What does shrewdly mean? Cunning, right? Okay. And then you're going to either put A or C on 31 or 32, right? Those are homework for you guys. And then you're either going to write A or C on it. Okay. B. Vocabulary B. So this box goes with this column, right? This box, the antonym box, goes with this column. Okay. So what is a synonym for imitate? Copy, ridiculous, or complex? Copy. So letter F would go here, right? And what is the opposite of imitate or copy? Simple, alter, sensible. Alter. So letter N goes here. So I used copy and I used alter. Over here, I used cunning. Okay? So mark them off after you use them, okay? That'll help you. So you guys are going to do 34 and 35 Homework today. 24, 25, 28, 29, 31, 32, 34, 35. Okay? Just a couple from each section. All right.